How do you change screensaver on your Android? Let me show it to you. You just open up the settings like this. Make sure you are on the main settings page, and from the options, scroll down a little bit and find display. And here are all of the things you might be interested in. And definitely one of them, if you keep on scrolling, should be the screensaver. It is almost entirely at the bottom like this, and you can tap on it and choose a different one. So for me, it was set to none for a long time, but I then chose the colors, right? And you have some other options as well. You can preview it a little bit. So this is what it's going to look like, right? So it's looking pretty nice. Then you can choose a different one and preview it this way, right? So plenty of ways to choose, but this is where you can pick the screensaver. Just keep in mind that this is only while your phone is charging, which makes sense because we don't want to drain the battery unnecessarily with the screensaver. It's only going to be activated when you actually plug in the phone to the charger. But that's essentially it. Let me know in the comments below if it works. Subscribe so you don't miss videos and tutorials like this one, and I'll catch you later in the future uploads.